Hi guys, it's Louise. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to create a Bratz inspired makeup look. So if you want to see me create this look, then keep on watching. So today I'm not going to show you how I do my skincare to save time for the important bits. I'm applying my highlighter before my foundation to achieve that inner glow. And as you can see, I'm using my brush instead of my beauty blender because I want my foundation as full coverage as possible. I'm applying concealer where it needs more coverage. I know it's not the same exact color, but when I blend it all together, it's gonna make sense. I'm also using this concealer as a first layer of my highlighter. And then I'm applying the second layer of my concealer highlighter for a more full coverage finish. Now I'm applying the contour and I'm going to blend it first before I blend the highlighter concealer. That way, the concealer will give you its maximum potential for a full coverage finish. So I'm trying this new blending sponge from Nanshi, I'm not sure, but I really like it because the sponge itself is quite dense and smooth and it doesn't disperse the product that much, it just blends it perfectly. I'm trying this new blush from Sandler. It's Watercolour Liquid Blush in Crush. It's quite orangey, but it really blends perfectly with my skin and my foundation. I really like it. So just to shake things up, I'm gonna bake my under eye and all the other areas where I want my makeup set. So I didn't leave the powder for too long and it was just perfect. It just set my makeup and it didn't create any texture. So since I'm going for colorful eye makeup, I'm using the P.louise eye base. It's actually my first time to try it. So first, I'm applying the shade Wave on my crease. Then I'm going to connect it at the end of my eyes to create a wing. Then I'm using the shade Sour from the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette to soften the inner crease. I'm using the shade Delicious to emphasize the wing more. Then I'm applying the shade Cherry Red to add a bit of dimension to the green. What I like the P.louise base is it makes blending so much easier, especially when using a lot of colors. Now using the P.louise base again, I'm cutting the shape where I'm going to apply my pigment. So to give it that chrome effect, I'm using the Inglot Pure Pigment Eyeshadow number 85. As you can see, the color of the pigment that I'm applying is actually emulating the colors that I used on my crease. This pigment is actually my favorite pigment from Inglot. It's just so good. It gives you that chrome effect. And to emphasize that cut, I'm tracing it with Too Faced eyeliner in deepest black.
Before I apply the eyeshadow underneath, I'm using the P.louise Basic Hint of Mint to really emphasize the color that I'm about to put. Then I'm applying the shade Jawbreaker to highlight my brow bone and the inner corner of my eyes. To open up my eyes more, I'm using this highlighter pencil. Then I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lashes in black vinyl before I apply my lashes. So with lashes on, and I added a bit of gemstones just for that extra something. And now I realize that my brows are a bit short for this look, so I've extended it. To emphasize the fullness of the lips, I'm using the Primark lip liner in Tofu. My lips are actually quite full already, so I'm not really overdrawing it, I'm just outlining it. Because one layer of powder highlighter is not enough, so I'm applying the second one. And we're done!
So that's it. Thank you for watching, guys, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any other makeup requests that you would like me to do, please comment it on the section down below and I will make that happen. So see you next time. Bye!